Assalamualaikum. Today we have lecture about the search of literature. So previously what I was doing, whenever I have to do the search, I just go to Google or any database and started the searching of the literature. But in this session, they tell us the literature search is a complete strategy. First, you have to create a strategy. After that, you have to start with the search. So in this session, I will tell you only the step of these strategies. And in my next session, I will explain and will give the practical demo of each step. So let's start it. So you can see a person standing in a digital library and thinking about the strategy. So this lecture is actually acknowledged to Sir Ashraf Sharif, which is our associate, and he delivered the lecture. So let's start the strategy for literature search. So number one is a research question. Before you have to find the literature, you must have a research question. After the research question, you have to split the research question into a key concepts. After that, you have to use some similar words. And the fourth point is truncation. Fifth is choose of appropriate database where from you will do the relevant search. Number six is the searching and reviewing the articles. And after that, you have to adopt the strategy. And number eight is save result or save your strategy. Uh, you don't have to feel any worried right now. In my upcoming video, I will explain and give demo of the each concept. Right now, the main thing is that you have to write down all these steps in a one paper and memorize it. So by watching my next video, you can get better understanding. Thank you.